Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to jumpstart your BMW X1. It has a dead battery. Okay, so when you're trying to jumpstart one of these, you want to open up your driver's side door. Down here in the bottom driver's side kick panel, you have this lever with the vehicle hood popped and 2 times on it. So they want you to pull that twice. Once, twice. And that will release your hood. Come around here and lift up your hood. And you will find your jump point right here. It's your positive jump point for your red cable. Your negative jump point will be right here. This bare metal prong that's sitting there. And actually I think your battery's under here. It looks like it's probably sitting in that direction. Most likely. It could be in the back. Most BMWs are in the back. We're going to use Noco Boost Pro GB150 jump box. Just attach your red cable here, like so. And you could do this with jumper cables off of another car too. It doesn't have to be a jump box. Hook up your negative right there to the second one. And it's reading 11 volts. We'll go ahead and,
it's low.
yeah, I mean it's barely low, 0.9 volts short of being 12 volts, but it's enough to keep it from starting. So we turned it on, the box boosted it up a little bit, and go ahead and try to start it, sir.
I thought you would do that.
Oh, you want me to? I will. I just don't like getting in and out of cars because I got to move the seat usually. But you look like you're the same size as me. There you go. And turn the box off. Good to go. Disconnect our cables. Unless you left something on. If you left something on, you can leave it running and it'll charge up. But if it died on its own, then it needs a new battery. Batteries only last about 2.5 to 3 years in the state of Florida. So if it's anywhere in that ballpark, it's probably just par for the course and time for a new battery.
Okay. Well, I think you need a new battery.
Yeah, I wonder where it is.
It's in the back, bro.
It is in the back. Almost all BMWs are in the back, but the way they had that shape, it just kind of looked like the way they do Audis a little bit. But yeah, it's probably here. Probably here in the back, somewhere under that padding.
You would have to unplug everything out. Shit.
Yeah. Maybe. Yeah, you gotta unsnap that to get to it, which wouldn't make much sense.
Maybe it's under the seat. I don't know.
Yeah. All right, let me shut this hood and we'll get out of here. Hey guys, well there you go. That's how to jumpstart your BMW X1. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.